Welcome to Captain Kirk meets Iron Man, the intelligent leadership move most revenue leaders skip. Now, what do Captain Kirk and Iron Man have in common? Both were told the rules and both broke them, and both saved everyone because they did. Today, we're exploring one of the most overlooked leadership lessons in Star Trek history and why it may be the most important AI lesson revenue leaders need right now. By the end of this episode, you'll walk away with 3 practical leadership plays that will help you secure executive buy in for AI initiatives, move AI from operational efficiency to strategic growth, and position yourself as the integration layer your CEO cannot afford to operate without. And stay with me until the end, because the third play is the most one leaders miss. It is also the reason some leaders are earning strategic influence while others are becoming increasingly replaceable. This is Captain Log star date August 2026. The mission has changed. Now, if you've been with me since the beginning, you know that in 2025, we explored customer success through the lens of Star Trek. And in 2026, we expanded that conversation through 6 Marvel-inspired leadership superpowers. But every commander knows that mission parameters change. The future of growth is no longer customer success versus sales, product versus marketing, and human versus AI. The future belongs to the crew. And because no single leader drives growth alone, growth happens when an entire go-to-market team operates as one coordinated system. This is why this channel is evolving into the revenue growth universe. 6 commanders, 6 superpowers, and 1 mission: to protect revenue, expand revenue, and accelerate revenue growth. Before we continue, a quick introduction. My name is Deidre Williams, and for more than 15 years, I've led customer success organizations that consistently deliver NRR at 115% above while maintaining less than 5% churn, because I do not believe in surprise churn. I've spent my career helping organizations grow revenue, reduce risk, and create measurable customer outcomes. Now, the revenue growth universe is where I share these lessons, frameworks, and leadership plays that help modern revenue leaders navigate that mission. Now, this season, each month, we will pair 1 Star Trek commander with 1 Marvel-inspired superhero. Captain Kirk and Iron Man represent intelligent leadership. And then we've got Spock and Black Panther representing data sovereignty. Now, Bones and Black Widow, they represent the human experience. Uhura and Thor represent community engagement. And Sulu and Captain America represent user-led revenue growth. And then Scotty and Hulk represent financial power. Each month, we will examine 1 critical capability revenue leaders need to master, and we begin with the intelligent leadership, Kirk and Iron Man, 2 leaders famous for challenging conventional thinking. One commands the most famous starship in the science fiction universe, and the other built one of the most powerful technologies in the Marvel universe. On the surface, they appear very different, but both understood the same truth: technology alone does not create outcomes. Leadership does. And that is such an important thing to wonder. And so technology amplifies leadership, and that lesson sits at the center of today's conversation about AI. To understand why, we need to revisit one of the most misunderstood stories in Star Trek, the original series. And no, it's not the Kobayashi Maru. Been there, done that. Not Khan, and not the Prime Directive. We're going back to Star Trek, the motion picture, where everything started from the film perspective. And the story is about V'Ger. A massive intelligence is approaching Earth. It has traveled across the galaxy, collecting information from every civilization it encounters. Its conceptualized power is nearly limited, and its knowledge exceeds human comprehension. And it is heading directly toward Earth. When Kirk and the Enterprise investigate, they discover that this mysterious intelligence is actually an ancient Earth probe and a machine that spent centuries collecting information, learning, processing, and evolving. eventually becoming something far beyond its original design. The machine, it calls itself Vigor, and despite possessing nearly unlimited knowledge, it suffers from a fundamental problem. It knows everything, but it understands nothing. It has data, but no judgment, information, but no purpose, intelligence, but no wisdom. And that is where today's AI conversation finds itself. Every generation faces its Vigor moment. This is ours. Today, organizations are rushing to implement AI. Some leaders fear it, others worship it, most misunderstand it because AI is not leadership. AI is capability. AI is acceleration. AI is amplification, but AI still requires judgment. The same lessons appear in Iron Man. Tony Stark did not become Iron Man because of Jarvis. Jarvis gave him leverage. Tony Stark supplied vision, judgment, creativity, and leadership. Without Stark, Jarvis is just an operating system. Without Jarvis, Stark is limited by scale. Together, they become transformational. The same principle applies to every revenue leader today. The winners will not be the leaders who compete against AI, nor the leaders who surrender to AI. The winners will be the leaders who integrate with AI. Which brings us to 3 leadership plays you can implement immediately. Leadership play number 1. Stop pitching AI as cost savings. Start pitching AI as revenue attribution. Most leaders walk into executive conversations talking about efficiency. We can automate tasks, reduce workflow, save hours. The CFO nods politely, then nothing happens because efficiency is rarely strategic. Revenue is. The leaders securing investment today are framing AI differently. They're using AI to prove contribution. Which customer motions protect revenue? Which actions influence expansion? And which programs accelerate growth? AI allows revenue teams to connect actively to outcomes. Now, your play as a CS leader, rewrite your next AI business case using revenue language. Protect revenue, expand revenue, influence revenue, because executives fund what they can measure. Now, leadership play number 2. Move AI from operational to strategic. Most organizations use AI to execute faster. Meeting summaries, email drafts, administrative automation, useful, but not transformative. The leaders creating competitive advantage and using AI to improve decisions, they're modeling scenarios, evaluating risk, forecasting outcomes, identifying expansion opportunities, stress testing assumptions. Now, your play as a leader, audit your AI usage. Is AI helping you work faster or helping you think better? Speed creates efficiency. Better decisions create growth. Now, leadership play number 3, that one I told you that's important. Become the integration layer. The Vigor story ends with integration. This is your opportunity as a revenue leader. Today, every executive team has access to more data than ever before. What they lack is integration. Someone who can connect customer behavior, revenue performance, expansion opportunity, and product feedback, competitive intelligence, and executive priorities. Your systems provide the data. You provide the judgment. Now, your play as a leader, walk into your next executive review with one integrated story, not a customer success report, not a product update, not a revenue forecast, a decision brief. Connect the signals, explain the implications, and recommend the next best action. This is how leaders become strategic. And that brings us to the rest of our mission. In August, Spock meets Black Panther, data sovereignty. In September, Bones meets Black Widow, human experience. In October, Uhura meets Thor, community engagement. And in November, Sulu meets Captain America, user-led growth. And in December, Spock meets Hulk, financial power. 6 commanders, 6 superpowers, 1 mission. Now, Vigor is still arriving. From inside our organizations, inside our systems, inside every dashboard, workflow, and AI platform generating more intelligence than leaders can absorb. The question is not whether AI will arrive. The question is whether there is a captain in the chair when it does. So I have a question for you. What is the figure inside your organization right now? Where are you seeing intelligence without integration? Now, drop your answer in the comments. And if this episode helped you think differently about leadership, AI, and revenue growth, subscribe to the Revenue Growth Universe and join us for the next mission. My name is Deandra Williams, and until next time, keep your shields up, assemble for revenue growth, and continue to boldly go where few revenue leaders have gone before. Long live, prosper, and grow for revenue.